to a knife, a ruler, a file, and a bottle opener. The price of the device is $69. Troja bike. This bike has a GPS system that cannot be turned off, removed, or destroyed by thieves. The sensor is fixed inside the frame of the bicycle. The sensor battery runs for up to 3 months without recharging, and the sensor defines the location of the bike using all available satellite systems. If you're away from your bike, you can know where it is at any time, but it is not very cheap. It costs $2,200. Rack. This magnetic bracelet will be very useful for those who are remodeling their house. The bracelet has 10 integrated magnets. You can now have screws, nails, nuts, or any other metallic detail always at hand. The device is very practical because you don't have to think where to put all these tiny details. You have them all in your arm. The bracelet is adjustable, so it's perfect for everyone. Its price is $13. Carbon Evo. It is the most solid wallet in the world. Underneath the high-quality soft leather, the wallet has 2 plates of stainless steel and aluminium. The steel back ensures the durability of the wallet, while the aluminium front ensures great resistance. Don't worry if your wallet falls into a puddle or mud. It's perfectly protected, as is everything inside it. The price of the wallet is $55. Traveler. This leather bag is perfect for storing razor brushes, protecting them from any damage. And don't worry about your razor blades, they're protected too. Traveler easily fits in any carry-on luggage, suitcase or bag. The construction of the bag allows you to store many objects inside. And its price is $100. Beard bib. Thanks to this bib, your face hairs will not fall everywhere while you're shaving. To start, you just have to stick the 2 suction cups with hooks to the mirror and put the eyelets of the bib on the hooks. If you have to leave while you're shaving, simply untie the neck straps, hook them onto the levers on the back of the suction cups, and your bristles will remain safely in the bib until you return. At the end of the shave, clean the bib and it will look like new thanks to its special surface. This costs $30.